welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you one of my project, which is a quiz game. Very nice. So as you can now see on my screen, here's it. I've named Mera Bharat Mahan. Okay, so we start the quiz. I'll zoom in for you. I put in this instrumental Jana Gana Mana song. Then I'll click on the start quiz button.
What are Prithvi,
I've put my voice.
Akash and Trishul? The options are hypersonic aircrafts, Indian missiles or E-bombs.
So I just tell the options. Then if I click suppose the wrong, like E-bombs, it will do like that, and here the score variable will turn -1. But if I do this Indian missiles, which is the right option, my score is 0.
Where is the floating post office located? Goa, Srinagar or Himachal Pradesh?
So in this game, if you like do the wrong, so it will do a -1 point for you. So be careful about that. But no opening the Google. Okay, so like that this game goes on. Like I have -1 now, -1, like that.
In which sport did
Kabaddi, like that. So this you play in your laptop or phone, whichever you have. So you can play this and check out the answer by yourself. Now I'm going to show you the code which I've copied on every stage. So if you go to see inside here, so like that you can just see the code and come here. I'll just show you the costumes. So the Sprite's costume is like only one because this is a question. And if you go to the button, this is the wrong option. So if you see here, when we just click it, it automatically turns to this costume, and it again turns to the first costume, and the score will just deduct -1. And I have just put in a sound here, disconnect. You can just see that all. And if you go to the right button, yes, if you go to this button, I've done this. You can just see that in this project. In the costumes, I've done like first it will be this. When we click it, it will go on this, and it will again this. So that's the costumes. I just copied it all, just changed the text. Okay, so you can just come to my account on here. You will see Mera Bharat Mahan. Click on it. You can see the code. You can play the game. It will be very fun. So try it out. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos like this. If you need the code, you can just go to the project. If not, just comment me on Scratch. I'll tell you. So hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.